Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie-Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California. I always love having you here. So today, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that brand new, just for you, I have my Annie-Parker Confidential Berry Fit and Glow Breakfast Smoothie. It's my signature smoothie for spring, and I think you're gonna love it. You almost can't believe that it's healthy because it's really that good. So, the ingredients are super simple. I'm gonna make it in a regular blender. If you wanna use your personal handheld blender, which I do love using a lot of the times, you probably wanna slow your roll on some of the ingredients. Maybe cut it in half because the personal blender probably won't hold all of it. When I make it in the regular blender, it makes you about a glass and a half or so. So just FYI, heads up. So super easy. It's going to be all about frozen blueberries, frozen banana slices, almond butter. Almond butter, you can also use peanut butter. Make sure whatever you use that it is completely free of any added sugar. It should just be the plain nuts, because we like to be plain nuts, don't we? I digress. Blended. Tablespoon of that. You can also use peanut butter instead of almond butter. I will tell you that almond butter has double the protein that peanut butter has, so I like to use almond butter for that reason, but use what you like. We're gonna have 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, a half a teaspoon or half of a scoop of protein powder, a little almond milk, and some ice. And here's all you do. You're gonna add blueberries that are high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. You're gonna add your half of a banana. I always freeze it. I slice them and freeze them and keep them in there. You're gonna get your 1 tablespoon of almond butter. This is going to give us a lot of our good fats, which are really essential for good skin and for just keeping your insides running smoothly. 3 tablespoons of the hemp seed hearts. Super easy to find in any grocery store. Hemp seed hearts are, they're soft and chewy. It kind of has a little bit of a nutty taste to it, but honestly they almost don't taste like anything. But they're high in iron, protein, and a good fat, and they have 9 of the essential amino acids in them, which means they've got a ton of protein. You're gonna do half a scoop of vanilla protein powder, no sugar added. Now the protein powder is totally optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I always like to sneak as much protein powder in as I possibly can anywhere. I mean, why wouldn't you? A little almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, or your favorite nut milk, whatever you like. A little ice, whip it up, and there you go. And that's it. So just gotta pour a little bit of this into a glass. Now, I call this breakfast. It's not really a snack because it probably has about 400 calories in it. But I would call it more of a meal replacement. So this to me is like a really delicious breakfast, a really light lunch. I mean, honestly, I prefer to eat my calories than drink them, but this is super good and it's very filling. And just for those days when you want something kind of light and not heavy, this is super good. So, I'm telling you, you're not gonna believe that this is healthy. If you want more wonderful recipes like this, don't forget to sign up for my 28-day sugar cleanse, Reboot Your Life, coming out in April. So if you sign up now, you'll be notified the minute that it's available. You can go to my website, annieparkerconfidential.com, and sign up, or the link is down below in the comments. For this and more healthy recipes, fitness, wellness, beauty, and living your life amazing, visit me on the blog, annieparkerconfidential.com. See you on the blog.